Let's talk about a topic that can be a bit, shall we say, sensitive for some folks, getting and maintaining an erection. Now, there's no need for awkward silence or nervous laughter. This is a natural part of being a man, and understanding it can empower you to take control of your intimate life. In the simplest terms, an erection happens when blood rushes into the penis, making it firm and enlarged. Think of it like filling a water balloon. This process is triggered by a complex interplay of your brain, hormones, nerves, and blood vessels. When you're aroused, your brain sends signals to the muscles in your penis, telling them to relax. This relaxation allows blood to flow in and, well, you know the rest. But here's the thing, this intricate system can sometimes hit a snag. Just like any other part of your body, your sexual function can be affected by various factors. It's important to remember that occasional difficulties are normal. We've all had those moments, and it's nothing to be ashamed of. However, if you're consistently having trouble getting or maintaining an erection, it might be a sign of an underlying issue. Don't panic just yet. There are plenty of things you can do to improve your erectile function and get back to feeling confident in the bedroom. Now let's delve a little deeper into what can cause those frustrating moments when your body doesn't cooperate in the bedroom. As we discussed, erections rely on a complex chain reaction, and a kink in any part of that chain can throw things off. One of the most common culprits is stress. We're living in a high-pressure world, and that constant tension can take a toll on your body, including your ability to achieve an erection. Think about it. When you're stressed, do you feel relaxed and ready for intimacy? Probably not. Another factor is lifestyle. What you eat, how much you exercise, and your sleep habits all play a role in your overall health, including your sexual health. If you're constantly fueling your body with junk food, skipping workouts, and burning the midnight oil, it's no surprise that your erections might suffer. And then there are the medical conditions. Certain health issues like heart disease, diabetes, and high blood pressure can damage blood vessels and restrict blood flow throughout your body, including to your penis. These conditions are often linked to erectile dysfunction, so it's crucial to manage them effectively with the help of your doctor. Finally, don't underestimate the power of the mind. Performance anxiety, relationship issues, and even past experiences can all affect your ability to get and maintain an erection. Your mental and emotional well-being is just as important as your physical health when it comes to intimacy. Now that we've covered some of the reasons why erections might fizzle, let's talk about what you can do to fire things back up. The good news is that many of the solutions are within your control. By making some simple lifestyle changes, you can improve your overall health and, in turn, enhance your sexual function. First and foremost, let's talk about diet. You are what you eat, and that holds true for your penis too. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein provides your body with the nutrients it needs to function optimally, including maintaining healthy blood flow. On the flip side, a diet high in processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats can clog your arteries and sabotage your erections. Next up, exercise. Getting your heart pumping isn't just good for your cardiovascular system, it's also great for your sex life. Regular physical activity improves blood circulation, boosts testosterone levels, and helps manage stress, all of which contribute to stronger erections. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. And don't forget about sleep. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces less testosterone, a key hormone for a healthy libido and erectile function. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your body to rest, repair, and recharge. Finally, let's talk about vices. Smoking is one of the worst things you can do for your health, including your sexual health. Nicotine constricts blood vessels, reducing blood flow to the penis and increasing your risk of erectile dysfunction. Similarly, excessive alcohol consumption can impair your sexual performance, so moderation is key. Now let's get physical, in a good way. Just like any other muscle in your body, the muscles in your pelvic floor can be strengthened with regular exercise. And when it comes to improving erectile function, these muscles are your secret weapon. Pelvic floor exercises, also known as Kegels, target the muscles that support your bladder, bowel, and, you guessed it, your penis. By strengthening these muscles, you can improve blood flow to the area and enhance your ability to achieve and maintain an erection. So, how do you do Kegels? It's simpler than you might think. First, identify the muscles. Imagine you're trying to stop yourself from urinating midstream. The muscles you squeeze are your pelvic floor muscles. Next, contract and relax. Contract these muscles for 3 to 5 seconds, then relax for the same amount of time. Finally, repeat. Aim for 10 to 15 repetitions, 3 times a day. The beauty of Kegels is that you can do them anywhere, anytime, at your desk, in your car, even while watching TV. No one will know you're secretly working on your sexual fitness. Section 5. Mind over matter, managing psychological factors. We've talked about the physical aspects of erectile function, but we can't forget about the power of the mind. Stress, anxiety, and depression can all throw a wrench in your sex life, even if your body is in tip-top shape. When you're stressed, your body releases hormones like cortisol and adrenaline, which can constrict blood vessels and make it difficult to achieve an erection. Anxiety can also lead to performance anxiety in the bedroom, creating a vicious cycle of worry and disappointment. So, what can you do to manage these mental and emotional factors? First and foremost, prioritize self-care. Engage in activities that help you relax and de-stress, such as exercise, meditation, yoga, or spending time in nature. Make time for hobbies and interests that bring you joy and help you unwind. If you're struggling with anxiety or depression, don't hesitate to seek professional help. A therapist can teach you coping mechanisms and help you address any underlying issues that might be contributing to your erectile difficulties. Section 6. Seeking expert advice. When and why to consult a doctor. Now let's talk about when it's time to bring in the big guns, your doctor. While occasional erectile difficulties are common and usually nothing to worry about, persistent problems could be a sign of a more serious underlying medical condition. If you're experiencing frequent or ongoing erectile dysfunction, don't suffer in silence. Your doctor can help determine the root cause of the problem and recommend the most appropriate treatment options. During your appointment, your doctor will likely ask you about your medical history, lifestyle habits, and any medications you're taking. They may also perform a physical exam and order blood tests to check for conditions like diabetes, heart disease, and hormonal imbalances. Remember, there's no shame in seeking help for erectile dysfunction. It's a common medical condition, and your doctor has likely seen and treated it many times before. By addressing the issue head-on, you can take steps to improve your sexual health and regain your confidence. Section 7. A helping hand, medical interventions for erectile dysfunction. In some cases, lifestyle changes and psychological counseling might not be enough to fully address erectile dysfunction. That's where medical interventions come in. Fortunately, there are several effective treatment options available, ranging from oral medications to vacuum devices. One of the most well-known treatments for erectile dysfunction is oral medications such as sildenafil, Viagra, tadalafil, Cialis, and vardenafil, Levitra. These medications work by increasing blood flow to the penis, making it easier to achieve and maintain an erection. For some men, injectable medications might be an option. These medications, such as alprostadil, Caverject, Edex, are injected directly into the penis, causing it to become erect. While effective, this method might not be suitable for everyone. Another option is a vacuum erection device, which involves placing a cylinder over the penis and creating a vacuum to draw blood into the area. Once an erection is achieved, a band is placed at the base of the penis to maintain the erection during intercourse. It's important to note that all medications and medical devices come with potential side effects and risks. It's crucial to discuss these with your doctor to determine the safest and most effective treatment option for your individual needs and medical history. Section 8. Taking charge of your intimacy, a holistic approach. Remember guys, when it comes to restoring and maintaining healthy erectile function, it's not just about popping a pill or trying a new technique. It's about taking a holistic approach that addresses all aspects of your well-being, physical, mental, and emotional. Start by making those lifestyle changes we talked about. Prioritize a healthy diet, get moving, manage your stress levels, and ditch those unhealthy habits. Think of it as an investment in your overall health and happiness, both in and out of the bedroom. Don't underestimate the power of communication. Talk to your partner about what you're going through. Open and honest communication can strengthen your bond and create a more supportive and understanding environment. And remember, there's no shame in seeking professional help. Whether you need medical advice, psychological counseling, or simply want to explore your options, there are resources available to support you on your journey to a healthier and more fulfilling sex life. Section 9. Remember, you're not alone. seeking support and information. Finally guys, remember this, you are not alone. Erectile dysfunction is a common issue that affects millions of men worldwide. There's no need to suffer in silence or feel ashamed. There are countless resources available to provide you with support, information, and guidance. Your doctor is a great place to start, but don't hesitate to reach out to other healthcare professionals such as urologists, sex therapists, and counselors. There are also many reputable online resources and support groups that can provide you with valuable information and connect you with others who understand what you're going through. Remember, taking that first step to address erectile dysfunction can be daunting, but it's a step in the right direction towards reclaiming your confidence, intimacy, and overall well-being.